In this video, I'll show you how to download the NVIDIA app on Windows 11. So first open your browser and go to the search bar and search for NVIDIA download. Now you'll click on the first link that says download NVIDIA app for gamers and creators. Make sure it has the official website address. You'll click on this link. Once you are on the page, click on the download now button. This will download the installer file for the NVIDIA app. You'll click on save. Just select where you want the file to be and click on save. Now you'll just wait for the app to get download. Now after it is installed, you'll open your downloads folder. You'll open the file and follow the installation steps shown on the screen and then accept the license agreement and wait for it to finish. And that is quite it. You can now update drivers, optimize games, and manage your graphics settings easily.